Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sesadewusi, Tantolorun, Baba Oloyin nkan. Baba Oloyin original. I'm staying at Yesota. Baba Oloyin bus stop. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesota. Yes, this is my phone number. 08054749455. You will see it at the bottom of this video. 08054749455. Today, I will tell you how you can use snails. This is one of the snails we have. Igbe, I will tell you. Get seated. Don't forget, you can get my products at Mushin, CAF Communications, number 4 Alukolaro Street, Mushin. Number 4 Alukolaro Street, Mushin. Mushin bus stop. At Barika, you can get my products at number 36 Ilaje Road, Barika. Number 36 Ilaje Road, Barika. You can get all my books here. My books, you can get them at Mushin as earlier mentioned. Number 4 Alukolaro Street, Mushin bus stop, Mushin. At Surulere, go to number 5C Akirele Street Extension. Akirele Street Extension, opposite Power Hotel, Akirele, Surulere. At Oshodi, go to BS Media Services, number 6 Everett Way. Number 6 Everett Way, behind YTK petrol station, Alasia bus stop, Alasia Oshodi. At Ikoto Egbe, you can see Mama Mubo, Iya Mubo, at number 2 Famous Obu Street, Agodo Market. Everybody living at Ikotun Egbe, you know Sele bus stop, Egbe. When you get to Sele, enter Maruwa going to Agodo Market. Then you are dropping at number 2 Famous Obu Street. Number 2 Famous Obu Street, Agodo Market. Don't forget, I'm at Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota. Telephone number again, 08054749455. This is snail. Yes. You can use it for manpower. Yes. If you watch my video, if you have been following me, you will see how you can use it for manpower. Yes. It's in the video. If you have a land and to build it is a problem, you have been running around, no helper. Sometimes when some people get land, it is then they will sack them from place of work, or their business is not moving again. How to use snails? Only one piece like this. How you can use it? I told you in my last video. You can still go back to it, but if you see my book, you will get it very well. Some people, they get asthma cough. Asthma cough. When you get cough, you begin to lean. Some people they will think that you have already got HIV. You'll be talking your absence. When you cough. When you enter motor, you are cough. Everybody they will be dodging you. Some people will think you have COVID-19. If you have cough, take care of your cough. The earlier, the better. We can use this snail to cure your asthma cough. Because if you get cough, you won't sleep again. Then you begin to lean. You will be eating, nothing to show for it. You can use snail. One piece of snail or two, you can use it for asthma cough. When you buy this book, only as a medicine, you will get it here. Only as a medicine. You will see how to use snail for asthma cough. If you want to use it for manpower, yes, It's in the book. Only as a medicine. How much is the book? Small amount. When you get this book, it's forever. It's forever. It's with you forever. Yes. This is it. You use it for asthma, cough. When you have uncompleted building, how to use it for uncompleted building, or you have a land and to build it is a problem. You can see that one in African Power Bank. If you want to use it for your land, you got land over 5 years, you can't do anything on it. This is the book you need, African Power. And in this book also, I told you about these rules. These rules, the name of this root, you can get it in African Power. As you see this root, you can use it for diabetes. You can use it for rheumatism. You can use it for, I think I told you, arthritis, rheumatism. If you have an old woman or old papa, they can't walk very well, you can get these roots, buy the book and know the name. Give your father or mother, they will pray for you. It is not only provision that you buy for your aged parents that they will be praying for you. They can pray for you when they have good health. Don't wait until when you kick out for them. Don't wait till when you be calling musician for your father. Take care of them. Ọmọ àṣebẹ̀ fún ọ náà. Your own children will take care of you when you grow up, when you become aged parents like they are now. How to do it is this route. Some people they are asking me, but what of those people who have bought the books? If you are one of those who have bought the book and I'm teaching you free, you will not like it. Yes. Some people, they are looking for male child. Some people are looking for female child. Yes, how to do it is in this book. On our biosis already, solution to woman problems. Ọ̀rọ̀ kan gbé mi níkùn wúkẹ́wúkẹ́. Tẹ́ bá ń sọ pé kò kàn mí o, a kọ ọmọ làkejì á kan níṣẹ́. Tẹ́ bá ń sọ pé kò kàn mí o, a kọ ọmọ làkejì á kan níṣẹ́. Báyé ṣe ń ronú yàtọ̀ sí tẹlẹ́dùmarè, ó dá mi lójú. Báyé ṣe ń ronú yàtọ̀ sí tẹlẹ́dùmarè, ó dá mi lójú. Àánú Olúwa pọ̀, àánú Olúwa dára, àánú Olúwa pọ̀, ó ṣeun. Báyé ṣe ń ronú yàtọ̀ sí takéwì, ó dá mi lójú. Báyé ṣe ń ronú yàtọ̀ sí tàwọn akéwì, ó dá mi lójú. Ẹ̀ ń bá ènìyàn jà, ẹ̀ ń jẹran wọn, ẹ̀ ń bẹ́nìyàn jà, ẹ̀ ń jẹ tòmátò wọn, ẹ̀ ń bẹ́nìkan jà, ẹ̀ ń jẹ kán wọn, ẹ̀ ń bẹ́nìkan jà, ẹ̀ ń jẹran wọn, ẹ̀ ń bẹ́nìkan jà, ẹ̀ ń jẹ kúlíkúlí wọn, à ń bẹ́nìkan jà, ẹ̀ ń jẹ kán wọn, ẹ̀ ń bẹ́nìkan jà, ẹ̀ ń jẹran wọn. Wọ́n ní ọlọ́mọdé á jẹun ọ̀tá wa. Ọ̀rẹ́ ló kù tí ọ̀dánú ń jẹ yìí o. Ọlọ́mọdé á jẹun ọ̀tá ẹni. Ọ̀rẹ́ òde ìdánú ń jẹ kí láti ṣe. Ẹ̀ ń bẹ́nìkan jà, ẹ̀ ń jẹun wọn, ẹ̀ ń bẹ́nìkan jà, ẹ̀ ń wọṣọ wọn, ẹ̀ ń bẹ́nìkan jà, ẹ̀ ń jata wọn, ẹ̀ ń bẹ́nìkan jà, ẹ̀ jẹ pupa wọn. Àánú rẹ̀ ló ṣe mí o, ló jẹ́ ń bọ̀ dámọ̀ràn. Ìbọn mórí ariwo wáyé ni àwọn tó lè ṣe pupa nípọ̀. Májèlé tẹ́ ẹ rí yẹn o, ó lè pa ni, òun ni silent killer bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ̀. Májèlé tẹ́ ẹ rí yẹn o, ó lè pa gbogbo ayé nu. àbẹ́ ẹ̀ kí sọ̀rọ̀ mi ní ọmọ Yorùbá tàtà nítorí pé lówe là ń lùlù àgídìgbò ọlọ́gbọ́n ló máa ń jó ọmọ Asthma mọ̀ díẹ̀ ọlọ́gbọ́n ló máa ń jó ọmọ Asthma mọ̀ díẹ̀ ẹ̀ ń bá wọn kan jà ẹ̀ ń jẹran wọn ẹ̀ ń bá wọn kan jà ẹ̀ ń jata wọn ẹ̀ ń bá wọn kan jà ẹ̀ ń jẹran wọn ẹ̀ ń bá wọn kan jà ẹ̀ ń jẹ tòmátò wọn pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́ dọwọ́ yín o pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́ dọwọ́ yín o ìfura ìfura oògùn àgbà ìyá bàbá mi ló máa ń fi ń sorin kọ kéèsì lówe ni à ń lùlù àgídìgbò. Don't forget you are listening to Apollo Ìjìnlẹ̀ Television. Yes, for those who don't hear Yoruba, well, you don't necessarily to hear everything today. God bless you. Don't forget the rules you can use for to lower your sugar level with this. You can lower your sugar level with this. This is snail. I told you, you can use it for manpower. You can use it for uncompleted building. You can use it for asthma cough. If you want to use it for asthma cough, you have to buy the book Honey as a Medicine. Honey as a Medicine. You can get our honey at Baboloyin bus stop, Yesota. If you go to our agents at Mushin, you can get it there as well. Please don't forget all these books I'm talking about. You can get them online. You can get my books online. All these books, you can get them online. Just ask for our account number. If you want to pay foreign money, you are not in Nigeria. If you want to pay to our domiciliary account, then you have to send us your telescopy. When you send me your telescopy, it is that telescopy I will forward to our bank. Then your money will enter to my account. Without that, your money will hang. Your money will hang. So anytime you make payment, send your telescopy to me. I will forward it to our bank. Before that money can be credited to my account. But if you want to pay in Naira, no problem for that one. Just WhatsApp me to collect the account number. Don't forget, my WhatsApp number is the same thing as my phone number I mentioned before. 0054749455. Listen again, 08054749455. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.